In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by launching Settings and clicking on Notifications. Then tap on App Notifications and tap on blue switches next to all of your apps from which you want to block them. You can switch them back on by hitting the same no gray switches. You can also select any app available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!